Anti-Haitian protests in the Dominican Republic turned violent as group calls for mass deportations. Nationalist group Antigua Orden Dominicana demands that Haitians leave the Dominican Republic, accusing them of crimes. Now let's go over this article that I summarized for y'all. On March 30th, an anti-Haitian protest in Hoyo de Friusa, Dominican Republic, led by the nationalist group Antigua Orden Dominicana, AOD, we're going to talk about this group, right, turned violent as demonstrators clashed with police while demanding the expulsion of Haitian migrants. Protesters accused undocumented Haitians of criminal activity in the area, contributing to rising tensions between Haiti and the Dominican Republic. Despite security measures, protesters bypassed barricades to enter neighborhoods predominantly inhabited by Haitians, prompting police to use tear gas to disperse the crowd, resulting in arrest, chaos. Witnesses reported ongoing violence against Haitians' homes, raising concerns about the future safety of Haitians in the region. Activists like Dominican lawyer Molina attempted to help Haitian families relocate to safer areas before the protests, fearing continued aggression from nationalist groups. Now let's talk about this AOD group real quick. Antigua Orden Dominicana is a Dominican ultranationalist and right-wing populist political movement and paramilitary group. Listen carefully. The AOD supported white supremacism. Let me run it back. The AOD supported white supremacism, the gringo, and idolized the republic's founders and old order. This is important because when you going back to the so-called founders of the Dominican Republic, we going all the way back to Duarte and Sanchez. We're talking about the Trinitarian, and these people came from the elite. It was the elite people of the Dominican Republic that divided Haiti and the Dominican Republic into two separate countries as if we are not one people. The Haitians and the Dominicans are one people. And you have to pay attention when things like this is going on the island of Haiti. Who is behind it? It is the elite that is behind it. It is the elite that's trying to keep this tension, that's trying to keep this hatred, that's trying to keep this fire burning between the Haitians and the Dominicans, because they cannot control this island unless we are divided. And this is why the ISUPK is important. It is important for the ISUPK to spread all throughout the world, all throughout Haiti, the Dominican Republic, so that the spirit of the ISUPK can unify